In this video, I'll show you how to change the app icon size on your Samsung phone in 2026. If you feel that your app icons are either too small to tap comfortably or too large for your liking, Samsung makes it easy to adjust their size in just a few simple steps. The best part is that this method changes only the app icon size without affecting the rest of your screen layout, making it perfect if you want a cleaner or more accessible home screen. To get started, unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down through the menu until you find Home Screen, then tap on it to access your home screen customization options. Inside the home screen settings, look for app size on home and app screens. Depending on your Samsung device or One UI version, this option may simply be labeled App Size. Tap on it to open the adjustment menu. You'll now see a slider that allows you to customize the size of your app icons. Move the slider to the left if you prefer smaller icons that fit more apps on the screen, or drag it to the right if you want larger icons that are easier to see and tap. As you move the slider, you'll notice the preview updating instantly, allowing you to choose the size that feels most comfortable. Once you've selected your preferred icon size, simply exit the Settings app. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to press a save button or restart your phone. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.